Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of cooperations lecture. Okay, in our last lecture we have started with the external sources of capital. Yes, first two parts have given to you. Yes, and this is the third part of external sources of capital of Maharashtra's cooperative society. Yes, we have seen internal sources and we have also seen the external sources. Okay, we have done with first two external sources. Yes, and now today we are going to start with the third external sources. Yes, that is issue of debentures. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start with the PPT. Okay, fourth chapter. Yes, we have seen that why society needs capital. Yes, and what are the sources of capital, internal sources and external sources. External sources we have started and we are done with two first 2 points, that is non-members deposit and loans and advances. Yes, and today we're going to learn rest of the three, that is internal issue of debentures, government grants and aids, and donation and gifts. Okay, so third one is issue of debentures. Yes, so what is debentures? We can say that in simple language we can say a company is taking loan from public. Okay, company is taking indirect loan from public. Okay, loan in written form is known as debentures. Okay, when there is a written proof of loan which company or society has taken from public, that is known as debentures. Okay, like people who have purchased shares, they are known as shareholders. In the same manner, people who have purchased not purchased actually, who have given loan to the society, debentures, yes, they are known as debenture holders. Who hold the debentures of the society or companies, they are known as debenture holders. Okay, for issue of debenture, permission of state government and reserve bank is very much necessary. Yes, earlier we have seen for the members deposit, for the issue of capital, share capital, for non-member deposit, for loan and advances, um, permission of registrar was needed, right? But here for issuing the debentures, what is needed? Of course, the permission of state government and the reserve bank. Okay, and debenture holders do not have any voting rights. Okay, they do not have any voting rights, they cannot participate in the management of the society. Yes, we have seen that shareholders can participate in the management of societies. Yes, but here debenture holder nothing to do with the management of society. यस, वो सोसाइटी में वोट नहीं कर सकते, सोसाइटी कोई भी डिसीजन में भाग नहीं ले सकते. दे डोंट हैव एनी राइट टू टेक पार्ट इन एनी ऑफ द डिसीजन, एनी ऑफ द डिस्कशन, एनी ऑफ द कंक्लूजन, or any of the resolution. They don't have right for that. They don't have right to attend meeting, they don't have right to vote, and many things. Okay, so here debenture holders cannot take part in the management of the company. Yes, then in cooperative society, fixed assets. Yes, whatever fixed asset are there, that is provided for the security of issue of debentures. Yes, like for taking loan from bank, we keep our some valuable things for mortgage. Yes, girvi rakhte hai. In the same manner, society's fixed asset is a security for issuing the debentures. Okay, fixed asset is on security for issuing the debentures, and debentures are classified into two categories: secured and unsecured. Okay, actually there are many types of debentures: convertible debentures, non-convertible debentures. Convertible debentures are the debentures which are converted into shares. Okay, debentures which are converted into shares are known as convertible debentures, and debentures which cannot be converted into shares are known as non-convertible debentures. Secure debentures, non-secure debentures. What are secure debentures? Secure debentures create a charge on the assets of the society. If company is unable to pay that amount of money to the debenture holder, secured debenture holder is having a right to have a charge on the assets of the society. Okay, so next point is interest on debenture is payable on due date irrespective of profit and losses. Yes, means as we have learned in about shares, yes, if there is a profit then shareholder will be getting dividend, yes, but here it is opposite. डिवेंचर होल्डर उसको कुछ लेना देना नहीं है प्रॉफिट या लॉस से. कंपनी को सोसाइटी को प्रॉफिट हो लॉस हो डिवेंचर होल्डर को उसका जो इंटरेस्ट है वो मिलेगा ही. Okay, that debenture holder will get interest for sure. Okay, state government, then central government, apex institution, yes, State Bank of India purchase the debenture to provide capital to the society. These are the financial institutions which purchase the debentures of the society so that they can provide money to them, they can provide finance uh, to them. Okay, and debenture holder are the creditors. They are known as the creditors. Yes, because they are giving loan, they are giving money to the society. That is why they are known as debenture holders. Yes, as we have talked about that they don't have any right on the voting. They don't have any right for for taking part in the management of the society, and they also get regular interests. Yes, then, as we have talked about that state government and Reserve Bank of India gives the permission for such debentures. Yes, and it is the on security of state government. Very much important. Okay, on security of state government means स्टेट गवर्नमेंट गारंटी लेता है कि आप ये सोसाइटी में पैसा इन्वेस्ट करो, आपके पैसे की गारंटी हमारी है. Okay, state government guarantees the issue of debentures. Okay, वो गारंटी देता है कि जो भी आपका पैसा है वो डूबेगा नहीं. अगर बाय चांस पैसा डूबता है तो जो पैसा है वो आपको कौन देगा? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट देगा. ओके, तो जो भी ये डिबेंचर्स होते हैं ऐसी गारंटी कौन लेता है? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. यस, कि आपको हर महीना या फिर जो भी डिसाइड है हर क्वार्टर में आपको जो इंटरेस्ट है वो मिलता रहेगा. Yes, debenture are issued by keeping the fixed asset as mortgage. Very much important कि जो हमारे फिक्स्ड एसेट्स होते हैं सोसाइटी के वो होते हैं मॉर्गेज पे, वो गिरवी रखकर हम जो डिबेंचर्स है वो लेते हैं लोगों से, जो लोन है वो लेते हैं लोगों से. Okay, so this was about the issue of debentures. Yes, the next one is as it is given here. Yes, government grants and aids. Yes, government grants and aids or subsidies we can say. Yes, so means government gives some types of grants, some types of aids to the society. Yes, the state government provides finance by providing grants and subsidies to the society, to the cooperative society. Government gives grants, gives aids, gives subsidies to the society. Yes, and the state government contributes the capital by purchasing shares of the cooperative society. Means here in the fourth point we're talking about how government helps or government directly helps the cooperative society. Yes, they provide grants, they provide subsidies. Yes, and they also purchase shares of the society so that they can give money to the society for by becoming shareholders. Yes, at the time of formation of the society, state government provide grants and purchase of land and contribution for the construction of the building. यस, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट उस टाइम पैसा देता है कि आप फॉर्मेशन कर लो, आप जो बिल्डिंग है वो बना लो, ये सब के लिए कौन पैसा देगा उस टाइम पे? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. यस, द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड फाइनेंशियल हेल्प टू रूरल एंड तालुका लेवल कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज. अब हम पढ़ रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट किस तरह से जो सोसाइटी को हेल्प करता है. यस, एंड प्लस सोसाइटी को किस तरह से हेल्प करना है, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द ऑडिट क्लास गिवन टू द सोसाइटी. यस, एज वी हैव लर्न अर्ली, हमने ये पहले भी पढ़ा है कि जो हर एक सोसाइटी होती है उसको क्या मिलता है? ऑडिट क्लास मिलता है. यस, like after auditing, on the basis of whole year, that society gets audit class. Yes, so like A, B, C, D. Yes, if suppose D type of society is there which is having audit class of D, उसको किस तरह से हेल्प करना है? ए क्लास की जो ऑडिट क्लासेस है, ओके, उसको किस, वो सोसाइटी को किस तरह से हेल्प करना है वो डिपेंड करता है. ओके, दोनों को भी हेल्प सेम नहीं होगी. ए को किस तरह हेल्प करना है, बी को, सी को, डी को, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन गवर्नमेंट. ओके, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड्स फाइनेंशियल हेल्प डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली टू द सोसाइटी. यस, क्योंकि शेयर्स खरीद दिए, उनको सब्सिडीज दे दी. यस, they purchase their shares, they purchase their debenture, guarantees for the long term loan. State government guarantee देता है long term loan की. Yes, loan at low rate of interest, etc. This is the help given by the government to the company, like they are providing what they are providing them, giving them grants, giving them loans, giving them subsidies, giving them aids for help. Yes, they are purchasing their shares, then they are purchasing their land, or giving them money for the construction of land. Yes, for purchasing equipments, for purchasing buildings, for purchasing machines. For they are also giving security for the long term loans. Yes, and in the third point we have learned that government is giving security to the debenture holders. Means government गारंटी दे रहा है, इसलिए लोग सोसाइटी में पैसा इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. यस, सो ये तरीका है. दिस इज द वे दैट गवर्नमेंट इज हेल्पिंग cooperative societies. Yes, and the fifth one is donation and gifts. यस, सोसाइटी को हमने ये 4 चीज पढ़े कि यहाँ से पैसा आता है एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से, और लास्ट चीज क्या है कि लोग डोनेशन भी देते हैं और लोग गिफ्ट्स भी देते हैं सोसाइटी को. ओके, सो कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी हैव राइट्स टू रिसीव डोनेशन एंड गिफ्ट्स. दे कैन रिसीव गिफ्ट्स, डोनेशन फ्रॉम person, institution of government, institutions means financial institutions, and government. The municipal financial institutions can be municipal corporation, yes, Jilla Parishad, then Panchayat Samiti, Gram Panchayat, municipal corporation. These are the financial institutions which are helping cooperative societies. Yes, and they're giving them loan. Yes, as a financial help. Okay, these are the society which are helping financial institution which are helping society for the as a financial help. Yes, uh, whatever money or whatever help is given, that does not mean that it is given only in cash. कभी कभी कुछ एसेट दे दिया, कुछ बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए पैसा दे दिया, कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स दे दिए, कुछ मशीन्स दे दी. यस, वो भी डोनेशन ही है. कुछ कबर्ड्स दे दिए बहुत सारी सोसाइटी में, कुछ कंप्यूटर्स दे दिए, कुछ लैपटॉप्स दे दिए, टेबल्स दे दिए. यस, ये सब क्या है? डोनेशन है जो सोसाइटी को मिलता रहता है. यस, विच आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय many financial institutions. We have learned that. Yes, Jilla Parishad, Panchayat Samiti, municipal cooperation and all. Yes, सोसाइटी को जो डोनेशन एंड गिफ्ट है वो रेगुलरली मिलता रहता है. काफी सारे लोग होते हैं जो यहाँ पे डोनेशन करते हैं. यस, और ये जो पैसा आता है वो फिक्स्ड एंड वर्किंग कैपिटल बढ़ाता है सोसाइटी का. ओके, सो Here we have completed with the external sources of capital. Yes, we have learned with the internal sources, that is share capital, entrance fees, reserve fund, members deposit. Yes, just a minute. Okay, so today we have completed with the internal and external sources of capital. Yes, for internal sources, we have seen the 4 points: share capital, entrance fees, reserve fund, and members deposit. Yes, for the external sources, we have seen 5 points. Yes, non-members deposits, then loans and advances, then donation and gifts, then government grants and subsidies, and issue of debentures. Yes, in the next chapter, or in the further chapter, we will learn more about the Maharashtra's Cooperative Societies Act. Okay, till then, children, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Regularly do your homework, regularly complete your notes as you get the videos. Okay, till then, children, stay home and study.